So my name's Jeff Schemmel. I've been with the company well over 20 years now. I'm now the general manager of USA and Canada. Started just in customer service and kind of worked my way up over the years. So as of January 1st of 2025, I'm now the general manager again of USA and Canada. So REGO-FIX is it's a value company. We've been around a long time. We invented the ER collet, of course now the power grip system. But we are a high performance tool holding system. So it's not just a product, it's a people, it's a culture, it's a way of doing things. But we truly believe in the value for our customers and our end user partners. And we truly view them as partners. So our goal is to help save them money and make their businesses more profitable, and it's by utilizing our products. And we truly believe that in the passion throughout all of our team members around the world.
Hey, I'm Wade Anderson. I'm the Vice President of Engineering and Automation for Okuma America. So at Okuma, we are the North American arm for Okuma Japan. So we sell, service, and support all of the Okuma products throughout all of the Americas.
My name is Scott Chappell. I'm the owner and president of On Target Tooling. We are based in Milwaukee, Wisconsin area. We are a rep firm and we cover the Midwest and have been covering the Midwest for REGO-FIX since 2020.
I'm John Pittman with Pittman Industrial Marketing. We've been in business over 50 years. We represent premium manufacturers in the southeastern United States, and we sell through distribution.
My name is Corey Lotman. I work for Productivity Inc. Been with the company 10 years, been in the industry probably 24. Live in Denver, Colorado. So I handle the northern Colorado state and lower Wyoming.
I'm Conrad Merrick. I'm running a Merrick Precision Engineering company back in the UK. We are specializing in aerospace, defense, and high quality CNC machine components.
So my name is Jeremy Roberts. I work for a manufacturer's rep agency based out of Birmingham, Alabama. We cover 8 different states. We've represented REGO-FIX USA since 2014. We handle all of the demos, sales, and service in our area.
Well, the thing that drove me to REGO-FIX was the innovation of their products, and the power grip system is just something that is above and beyond the competitors, and I've just had a lot of success with the product. It's very easy to convey to the customer. I've had many success stories, certain things with customers using competitors' products, maybe only getting 15 parts, put the same product in a REGO-FIX holder, 75 parts. Big savings for them, ease of use, very consistent. It's a successful product. It makes my job very easy and it makes the customers more money.
The quality of REGO-FIX drew me into the product, and since I've learned how much passion they have as a family and as a company in producing high quality products on time with a high delivery rate.
Yeah, really what I love about REGO-FIX is the superior product, the quality. It fixes a lot of customers' issues. Kind of my favorite is a customer will call and say, Corey, I keep breaking this micro end mill over and over again. And I'll try to convince him to buy a REGO-FIX Ultra Precision collet. A lot of times they're like, hey, I don't have 80 bucks to invest into a collet. And I'm like, all right, I'll just give you the first one for free. And then the customer calls me asking for quotes for a dozen more REGO-FIX Ultra Precision collets because it fixes all the run out issues that cause a tool to break, wear, and finish issues.
So I'm a strong believer in investing in the best possible equipment at our company, and REGO-FIX is the top of the world-class equipment. What they showed us today, absolutely mind-blowing.
Several customers were using REGO-FIX and really kind of pulled us into it. So we got to know one of the sales engineers through a lot of trade shows and things like that, and got introduced to the product and really got to understand a lot of the differences of where they fit in the marketplace versus some of the other partner companies that we work with. And one of the things we try to look for are companies who are in the similar space but don't necessarily have exactly competing technologies. They all have something that differentiates them. So with the different technologies that REGO-FIX offers, it brings a lot of new manufacturing technology into our portfolio.
So why REGO-FIX? I think it's important when you're selling a product or buying a product, you want to know what you're buying and who you're buying it from. You're selling a story most of the time. So I think what we've learned on this trip here in Switzerland was that there's a deep culture, a deep care in not only the product that they make, but the company and the country as a whole.
When I go to a customer and I'm working with them with the REGO-FIX product, I want them to know that I'm bringing them value. I'm going to lower their cost per part. I'm bringing safety to their plant because of the REGO-FIX system. And just overall, they have confidence in me and the product that I'm bringing to them. So it saves them money, makes their job easier.
So I'm going to break it up into two different categories. So one is the business side. The real reason I'm here is to learn more about REGO-FIX. And I look at different technologies that we work with. When you're a premium product, so Okuma is a premium product, REGO-FIX is a premium product, performance is expected. So when you're in that category, whenever I need help, it's usually because there's a serious problem going on. So for me, a big part of this, it's not just knowing the products and the technology, it's knowing the people. And when we're caught and we need somebody, I need to get on the phone with somebody, who are the right people? So business moves at the speed of trust. And for me, that trust is established people to people. So as we get to know them, we get to know who their key personnel are, and when we're in a position where we need to reach out to somebody, who's those proper channels? Nobody's perfect, no company's perfect, no Okuma's not perfect. I'm sure REGO-FIX is not perfect. So when we get into a situation, who's the person who's going to have your back?
The purpose of this trip is we really try to do a few things. We want to be closer with our distributor partners. We develop a bond when we bring people over on this Swiss trip. They get to know, again, Switzerland. Everybody wants to come to Switzerland, but they don't really know that much about it if they haven't been here before. So they get to see the different sites. But then, of course, we've got a hidden agenda of get to really see our facility and why REGO-FIX is what we are. So we really show that off in detail, of course, after a lot of bonding and getting to know each other over 3 or 4 days.
I think the personal experience that I'm going to gain the most out of is returning to the United States and being able to share what we learned here. We've seen some beautiful parts of the country.
The best part is you can bring your spouse, they take great care of you. It really becomes a special trip, right? And they don't try to push the product on you. You know, it's not a sales trip, right? It's just appreciation. So you really get that family feel out of REGO-FIX.
Factory tour, that's mind-blowing on its own. But we also had a good time at the carnival. That fire festival, that's amazing on its own.
But being able to spend quality time with people, getting to know not just the people at REGO-FIX, but other of the companies, their distributors and other personnel. A couple of our distributors are here on this trip. So it's a great time to network with people and then get to see the culture, get to see the country.
You add the fact that the people of REGO-FIX are so down to earth and very helpful, the technical abilities and the technical support that you get both in the United States and Switzerland is phenomenal.
REGO-FIX being a family-owned business, I think has a lot of grasp and reach, not only in the culture here at the facility and the employees that work here, but in the product as well. I mean, we've seen that the product is second to none, being something that is different in the tool holding world. There's nothing like it.
So if there is something that I would like people to know is that our values are a triangle. So on top of the triangle is integrity. The other part of the triangle is growth, and the third part is excellence. But these are our values. So it's not always about products, but it's about the philosophy and the DNA of a company and of a product. And our DNA really is that triangle: integrity, growth, and excellence.